Why do good people end up having bad credit? Why do good people end up having bad credit? This is crazy. Before I get started with this video, I want to tell you about something that I saw today that really was shocking to me. My daughter comes to my office on some days and she does some of her work that she does for the company. And by her house on the way to our office, there's a credit union that's on the corner. And from time to time, I would notice that they would have one or two vehicles that were sitting in their lot. These are repossessed vehicles because obviously the credit union is not in the car selling business. This time, when I drove by, and this is only a week away from when my daughter and my wife and I drove up on last Friday, there was a line of vehicles. There was probably 30 vehicles, and these are all from repossessions. So that was very shocking. So let's get with it. Let's get started. On this video, I'm going to go through why good people can end up with bad credit. Have you ever wondered why a hard-working, honest, responsible individual like yourself could still end up with bad credit? You pay your bills on time. You try to do everything the right way. You work hard, yet somehow your scores say that you are too risky. That creates shame, frustration, and confusion. But here's the truth. Bad credit does not always mean bad behavior. Sometimes bad credit comes from life, job loss, medical bills, divorce, business slowdown, using credit cards to survive during hard times, one late payment turning into months of damage. The system does not always measure character, it measures patterns. And many good people get trapped by those patterns. Another truth most people never hear about: once your scores drop, everything gets more expensive. Higher car payments, higher insurance, higher interest rates, more deposits are required for you to be able to buy things. Less opportunity. So bad credit becomes a punishment cycle. But here's the good news. Credit can be rebuilt. Negative items can be challenged. Balances can be optimized. New positive accounts can be added. Old mistakes can lose power over time. You are not your score. Your score is simply a report card that can be improved. If you're tired of being judged by old problems, what I want you to do is visit www.thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video, What Makes Us Different, so you can see my 8-point validation process and my 2-phase settlement process. If you need your credit reports and scores, go to the website, the3scores.com, to grab your complete TransUnion, Equifax, Experian credit reports and all 3 scores, because that's where everything starts. If you have debt collectors who are coming after you, you can go to summersmaster.com to create an exclusive certified debt validation letter that could stop debt collectors in their tracks. If debt collectors are suing you, you can go to Summersmaster, where you can get a complete court-ready response that will stop default judgment and give you the opportunity to get your case dismissed. Please like this video, post your questions and comments, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. This is Stephen A. Williams, President and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com and summersmaster.com. Thank you.